Hello everyone, welcome to TrachitZ YouTube channel. I am Trachit, and today I am going to show you the easiest way to type in Nepali. First of all, download the zip file, link in description, then extract the file and open it. Once you open the folder, you will see two setup files. Now, at first run Google Input Tools.exe, then only run Google Input Nepali.exe. If you do not follow this order, you will get an error. After installation is completed, restart your PC. I have restarted my PC, and now I am going to show you the demo and the way to use it. At first, open any text document. Now, to change the language from regular English to Nepali, you have to press and hold Windows key, then quickly press and release space key. You can now type in the way we usually type in social medias and convert it to Nepali. For example, M-E-R-O changes into Mero and N-A-M changes into Nam.
This is the one of the most easiest way to type in Nepali. Thank you for watching. Feel free to comment below if you face any problem. Please subscribe. It's me TrachitZ signing out.